Okay, so what I need is a couple of things. As you can see, yeah, here I have these assignments and I need to put them into folders for each week. So I also need a folder for extra assignments. What I'll do is I'll change these from weeks to numbers of assignments, or just add the numbers of assignments. So what you need to do, it's really annoying, but so assignment 40 is going to be somewhere in here in this one. So you just you have to move it. So you click move, and you can only move it in the course, and then you will go to that folder, and it takes a while to get used to using this. So there it is. Okay, so it's all going to be this area. Okay, so if we take this one for example, the first one, number 1, is going to be in the first folder. But I put the numbers on them, and that's it. So I need to get those folders all tidied up. That's the idea. Thank you.